Meaning of delegate.
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 Delegate. Delegate is a verb that means to entrust or hand over responsibility or authority to another person or group. The act of delegating involves selecting an individual or team and empowering them to make decisions or take action on behalf of the person delegating. By delegating tasks, leaders can free up their time to focus on other important responsibilities and also foster the growth and development of their team members. Effective delegation helps increase productivity, improves teamwork, and builds trust within an organization.